today we're going to be using something very useful, and it's a new tool that comes with Photoshop, and it's called the Quick Selection tool. So if you go ahead and click on it, so we have our image here, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and it's very easy to use. All you have to do is click and drag around your image, and Photoshop will automatically try to recognize, and it does a pretty good job, as you can see, of trying to select our actual image. So it's so far it's doing pretty good, and those of you who have done this with the magic wand know how important this new tool, or how invaluable it is to save you time. If you somehow mess up and you select something like this, you can always hit the Alt, see how it turns into a little minus, and then just that will take it away. Okay, so in case you mess up, you can do that. Once we're kind of satisfied with our selection, we have even more refinements, and you hit this button here, refine, and the first thing that you're going to see is the view selection. So you can see it with the marching ants. You can put it on black, on white. I personally like to work with the overlay, so I'm going to use that one. I usually click on edge detection, which is a smart radius, and it's good to know where your image is going to go. Like if, for instance, if I'm going to use this graphic and a blue background, well, I can feather a little more, because since it's originally in a blue image, then I can maybe feather a little bit more. You see how you get this blue fringe? Well, it won't matter because I'm going to be using it in a blue background. So it's good to know ahead of time what the purpose of the image, or where you're going to end up using it. Most importantly, you can play around with these functions, but one of the most important ones is the shift edge. This allows you to extract or grow your selection. So if I push it this way, as you can see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, this edge, this mask is being pulled, but if I do it the other way, then it pulls it in. So I find that very useful. So of course, once again, feel free to play around with these options until you get a nice smooth edge. And once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and hit OK. And that's pretty good.